so excited for you guys to walk inside of this beautiful French colonial home that sits on 5.3 acres. We are walking into nearly 4,000 square feet. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a bonus room that overlooks the backyard. Oh, the backyard, the amazing oak trees. I really feel like this is modern living in a country setting. So come on, let's take a look. Check out all the features of this amazingly upgraded custom kitchen. I spy 2 sinks and 2 dishwashers in this kitchen. This is a dream come true for anybody that likes to entertain large crowds, or for anybody that just wants to clean up a cinch after dinner. This bonus room is like no other that you've seen. It's currently being used as an additional living room, but it could easily be transformed into an office or a game room or a guest suite. The whole back wall is all windows and it looks out into your beautiful expansive backyard with those wonderful mature oak trees. It also has its own wet bar along with a built-in wine refrigerator. There is also a stone-faced fireplace with a gas insert.